Inshallah today I'll be making kofte using chicken mince 1 kg which has been washed and drained, and it's very important that you drain all the water out of that chicken mix after washing it. So I'm going to make a start adding the spices and the herbs. So it's 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. I'm putting half a tablespoon, but I'm going to add some later as well, so you don't want to put too much in at the moment. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So straight in. About 5 to 6 chilies cut, fresh chilies, and about half a cup of coriander cut. Bismillah. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of roasted grams, ground down, and these are the grams, but you got to make sure you take the skin off. Take the skin off. It's easy to do, just rub them in between your hands and grind them down. So 4 tablespoons of ground gram. And give that a good mix, inshallah. Bismillah. Squeezing all the herbs and spices in, and they're all nice and mixed. We'll start making the kofta, inshallah. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit of oil on my hands. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And just, you need them about a gold size. So you don't want too much meat, because you need to cook them, let them cook from the inside. If they're too big, they won't cook from the inside and they'll stay raw on the inside. So you want about a gold size bowl like that. Okay guys, so you'll make them all about a golf ball size, so you got them like this. And then we'll move to the next procedure, inshallah. Okay, so I'm going to start the next procedure now, guys. So I'm going to add 1 cup of oil. Bismillah. I'm putting on full heat. After adding the 1 cup of oil, I'm going to add 1 onion sliced up. Bismillah. And I'm going to let them go brown, a nice golden brown. Okay, now they've got a nice golden brown. I'm going to take them all out and put them to the side. Bismillah. Okay, now I've took the onions out after they've been browned. I'm going to add about 3-4 cardamoms, 3-4 cloves, small sticks of cinnamon sticks, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as zira. And I'm going to add 2 more onions chopped up. Bismillah ar-Rahman. I cook them until they go a nice brown as well. Bismillah. On a medium heat. Now the onions are going to like a golden brown. I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of each. And give that a good mix until the ginger and the garlic paste is nice and light brown as well. Now that the ginger and the garlic paste has gone a nice brown, I'm going to add the 2 chopped tomatoes. Bismillah. Bismillah. Give it a good mix. I'm just going to sprinkle some water in it. Just a sprinkle, just a touch. Bismillah. It's been about 4 or 5 minutes since we've been cooking them, and I've just been sprinkling water in it. Just going to keep on sprinkling. So that's another half a cup of water. So that's a full cup in there now altogether. By adding it slowly, so it helps cook the tomatoes. Okay, now the tomatoes have been cooked, I'm going to add some spices and herbs. So that's 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and coriander seeds mixed. Bismillah. 2 tablespoons of the red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mace, and salt to taste. Bismillah. Give it a good mix. Let all the herbs and spices mix in now on a medium heat. I'm just going to sprinkle some water in it now so the herbs and spices don't stick. Just a bit, not too much. Bismillah. Look at the colour on that now, absolutely beautiful that. MashaAllah. So now I'm going to add them onions that we fried at the start. And then what I've done is fried them and blended them. So they're nice and blended now. So I'm going to put them in. Bismillah. And give that a mix. Bismillah. Okay, so all the herbs and spices are cooked now. So you can smell them and you know they're cooked. I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt. Bismillah. Look at the color on that now. Bismillah. Give it a good mix. You need to keep on mixing this now that yogurt's in, yeah, so it's nicely mixed in. This, and you'll cook it for about 5 minutes on full heat. Just keep on mixing it though. Okay, it's been about 3-4 minutes. I'm going to add a cup of water just to help it cook. So nothing stays uncooked in there, everything gets cooked. So I've added a cup of water. So now I mix that 1 cup of water in. I'm going to put it on low heat and put the lid on and let it simmer and cook for about 7-8 minutes. Okay, it's been about 7-8 minutes now. It's been simmering away on low heat, so I'm going to just check that now. Bismillah. Oh, mashallah, this smells beautiful now. Everything's mixed in, blended in. I'm just going to turn the gas up on high heat and just cook it a bit more. But it's nice and soft now. All the herbs and spices are blended in, mashallah. I'll give it a few more minutes on high heat now after that simmering. Everything's nice and soft and blended in. I'm going to put some water in now, and I'm going to put that much water in so the minced balls are covered with the water. When it starts boiling like that, you just drop them in. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Carefully. Now it's boiling and I've added all the balls in. I'm going to cover it. Bismillah. Don't use a spoon to stir this now at the moment. And you grab it gently and just shake it gently. Be careful though. And that will take all the balls underwater. And you let it cook on a medium heat. But whatever you do, don't use a spoon because you'll just break all the balls. Okay, I'm just going to check them now. How they're getting on. I'm just going to give them a bit of stir, but you can tell they ain't going to break now when I stir them. But I'm still going to stir them gently. Bismillah. From the sides and just bring it to the center. Bismillah. Just do that from the 4 sides. Gently, and just cover it on and let it cook on high heat to continue cooking on. Okay guys, it's been about 7-8 minutes, so I'm just going to check it now. Bismillah. And that looks right. Bismillah. Bismillah. Look lovely them do now. Look, see how they're all nice and round and they haven't broken up. That's because the mix was boiling and I put them in and I made sure they went under the water. Okay, now that the oils come to the top, the cooking oils come to the top and the kofta is nearly ready. I'm just going to add some more water to it now. You can add water as much as you like. I don't like the gravy that thick, so I'm just going to add a bit of water, about a cup. Bismillah. I'm just going to turn it to low heat now and cover it again and let it simmer now on low heat. And I'm going to let that simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 7-8 minutes now. It's been simmering on low heat. So I'm just going to check it now. Bismillah. And that looks right. That looks nice. Bismillah. Okay, that is ready now guys, mashallah. I've turned that off now. I'm going to add half a tablespoon of garam masala. Bismillah. And I'm going to add a bit of coriander and about 2-3 chilies, but whatever you prefer with the chilies. Bismillah. and give that a bit of a stir. Smells absolutely beautiful, this does. Bismillah. Bismillah. Look at them. They've all kept the shapes the kofte have. These are called the kofte, the balls. Bismillah. MashaAllah guys, the kofte are ready. I'm just going to sprinkle some coriander on top. Bismillah. MashaAllah guys, it's come out beautiful, the kofte have. Please do have a go. Hope yours turns out like this or better, inshallah. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.